This thing on? This thing recording? Hello, you. What is good, YouTube? It's your motherfucking boy, 𝙎𝙚𝙬. Yes, indeed. You see the mic? That's Buddha. Say what's good to Buddha. Yes, sir. And I want to start the episode by saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. I'm so grateful to be alive today, to be here, and to have you all as part of the Manifestor gang. We've been manifesting some amazing stuff. We're almost at the 4,000 portfolio mark. So we're not going to get the round of applause yet, but when that 4,000 mark comes, all of y'all, I want y'all to comment below where you're at on your journey of manifesting money, investing in yourself, in a better future and a better life for yourself. With that being said, I want to welcome you to today's episode of What's in My Robinhood Portfolio, aka the growth to $20,000. That's our first goal. We're going to keep expanding upon our goals. That's what life's about. So what I need you to do first is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you can see my beautiful face and this blonde hair all the time. I love you. And let's see what stocks I'm invested in, how the performance did, and how much money we have today. All right, let's pop the portfolio up right. Okay. Yes, sir. We are up here today at 3,728 and 65 cents. I am very ecstatic. Main reason I'm elated is because we didn't panic. We didn't get worried when the market went down the other day. It took me all the way down to 3,400. Now I'm right back almost at 3,800, like nothing ever happened. And remember, when our portfolio reads red, or something looks like there's red, that's buying opportunity. One thing I'm discovering in this world, the most important things are capital and an intelligent mind. If you have capital, the money, the actual capital, you don't have to be like, man, I wish I could. You don't have to borrow no money. You don't have to ask for shit. You can make the plays if you have capital. So every check, okay? Every check, if you can give $150, right? Like, let's say you're a parent. Right? And every month you can donate $150, right? From the time you have the child until the child is 18. If you can throw $150 every month just into a savings account or just put it into a drawer, right? That's going to be over $32,000. With that being said, you have that money just sitting there, $32,000 for a kid that's 18. Imagine if you put it in investments. That child will be a millionaire by the time they're 18. 18 years, you sit 20 and 30,000 for 18 years, it's going to grow. All right. So with that being said, we are up over $220 today. I'm going to scroll down and show you how the plays are performing. You see APXT looking beautiful, 1463. We are up on that today. NEO. I'm going to go in, hop into NEO. I want to show y'all. NEO is my baby. I would say my 3 to 4 favorite stocks: NEO, Arrowhead, SBE, and probably Blink. Those are amazing to me. NEO, you see today is up 7%, right? That's $63 for us. So 7.6%. So imagine if you have a higher position. Imagine if you have 50 shares. Imagine if you have 75 shares, 125 shares. You're going to be up 7.6% on that. So thank you, NEO, for being amazing today, getting back to normal. 𝙎𝙚𝙬𝙾, which I'm going to keep calling LCA. Golden Nugget. That is, a little weird today. Minus $6. This is my second favorite stock, Arrowhead. I told you all about this. Arrowhead is up over 6.8% today. That is almost $60 we've made today just by having the money there, just by sitting it there. So I love you, Arrowhead. Arrowhead is a pharmaceutical company that makes medications for diseases and things of this nature. So I don't think they got their hand in any of this punk-ass vaccines. CSWC, Capital Southwest. I love the stock. It's a dividend stock. They're up $8 today. You see PSEC. PSEC's down, but PSEC is one I look at just another dividend stock. It's a dividend stock where I want to build out my position. PSEC, Maine, and Macy's, and CSWC. Those are my 4 dividend stocks, and I'm going to build out. I will get $2,500 worth in each one of those shares. SBE, almost at $40, up 5.7%. Beautiful. And so that's going to be $13 for us. We're going to keep building our position. Next week, I'm going to be doing a deposit. So if you all want to deposit the same day as me, so we can always be on the same track, let's do that. Let's look for depositing into our account by Wednesday. Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, let's all make a deposit, whether it be $10, $100, $1,000, $10, whatever it is. Comment below where your portfolio is and comment below how much you'll be depositing next Wednesday. And so someone asked me an amazing question about Macy's. I want to show you all Macy's. Macy's, I use Macy's as a dividend play. I'm not sure on the super, 5 years of it, but someone asked me, is Macy's closing? Now, Macy's is not closing. What they're doing is consolidating their money and their revenue. They're closing 125 stores nationwide that aren't bringing in and generating revenue, like small mall stores. If the mall was closed for 5, 6, 7, 8 months, obviously those stores in Macy's, you need to go in there and try clothes on and see stuff. They're not going to generate that revenue. So they're just closing the smaller stores. So I wanted to just, if there's any people that had that same question or you were thinking about getting in Macy's, I believe it was Chris Sain or Stockmo, one of them said this is going to go up to $20. So if you were like me, we got in it really low and it's already gained us about $9 from the almost 6 shares we have. So we're going to keep this. It's a dividend stock as well. I want you to see this. 13%. So they have paid me. Oh, they didn't pay me yet. I believe this may be one of them dividends that they pay you annually or quarterly or something like that. But they do have a 13% dividend. Fuel Cell on fire today, setting new highs, 52-week highs. Amazing. You see this, almost $13 today. That's what we made in the day from my position. 22% almost. So imagine if you have your 125 shares in this, you're going to grow 22% on that. Vuzi, Plug, Jumia. Let's check out Plug. Plug was nice today. Oh my goodness, 35%. That's almost $40 Plug was up today. Beautiful. We only have 3 shares in that, but we are increasing our position in shares like that. Jumia, Blink charging, we up there $9 a day. We have 3 shares of that. We're going to continue to increase our position in this as we go. So I'm not really looking to add many new plays, just looking to focus and increase the position I do have and average down every chance I get. Planetaire. Let's look at Constellation Pharmaceuticals. This is one, if you're with me from the beginning, you know that I started this a while ago and I really have optimism that this is going to go up to $50-something. So we made $3 on it. And if you look at the 52-week high, $50.90. I really have optimism in it. A lot of the analysts say to buy. So this is one that I'm flying on. I'm going to try and build my position in it. I believe it's going to be successful. You see Maine and you see COE. That's it for the portfolio. And we're going to keep going up after hours. So let's do a manifestation. I'll jump back on here tomorrow and give you all another video. But for the time being, right now I'm at 37.29. Let's manifest 3,800 by the time we jump on tomorrow. Comment below, please, where you're at in your portfolio, what levels you are. I love seeing the comments you all are sending me, the love you sending. And I want to take a message and a timeout right now today to address a lot of the weird shit that's going on in this country, especially for my people of color. I need y'all to invest your money. You need to think smart. You see what's going on in the Capitol. We live in an interesting world right now, 2 different worlds if you ask me, but we're not going to get into that. This is not a racial divide. I'm simply talking to the people of color because I want you to get in the stock market. It's very imperative that we learn financial literacy. There's no coincidence that every person in the world needs money to live, but they don't teach us about it. So you have to understand why the maximum there's ever been is 3 Black Fortune 500 CEOs. We have to invest money so we make money while we sleep. Keep joining me in the Manifestor gang so that way we can continue to grow as a team. We can grow as a unit. We can show each other, share information in the comments. If you want a call with me, you can hit me on the website. That's always option. People have been calling in. I'm really loving the calls and the conversations we having. I'm here to help grow your mind, grow you through your ears, grow you through your spirit, and grow you through your stomach with delicious snacks. So that's the portfolio for today. I love you. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, bell notification. Follow me on Instagram at @thesessionCA. And hit me up with any more questions you've been having. Y'all been killing it on the polls and voting and telling me what kind of videos you want to see from me. And if you do need to get started investing, and you're looking to start investing right now, I need you to go ahead below and hit my WeBull and my Robinhood link. We both get free stocks. Do you hear me? You get some bread, I get some bread. We win. And you never know what that stock could be. It could be something that already comes out metro booming. So I love you. It's your boy, The Session. Until next time, stay lit, stay medicated, and stay awesome. You did.